Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video we're actually going to see the last part of the video, which we've been editing for the UV and the shading stuff the last week. So first of all, we are going to add the parent to the dress we made. Parent is basically adding the bones for the movements we are doing. So here I am adding the parents. So make sure you are in object mode first. So after going to the object mode, select the dress and then the parent, like the armature is the parent. So after that, go to the parent and armature deform, parent armature deform with automatic weights. So select that. Oh, sorry about the pass. So after selecting that, you can actually see the right side. You have no dress in the column. They have armature and mask only. So after that, you go to the pose mode and select a bone and try to move the bone. You can actually see that dress is also moving with the bone. So this is the rule of the armature. The dress moves only if the bone is actually associated with the part of the dress which you are trying to move. So you cannot move a shoulder of the dress with moving a hand or hand bone. So you have to actually see this. So I'm trying to make the viewpoints in the front because it's really hard for me to see where the things are. So make sure you get these things in the correct position and go back to the object mode. Oh. So I think I forgot about one thing about transferring weights, because we are actually doing the thing like making something like recreating something from the old one. So we're actually going to transfer the weight of the suit to the dress we just made. So go select the both and go to the weight paint and go to weight, and now go to the transfer weights. After that, select the bottom column and go to the like a destination layer and other things, a source layer selection, that one. I think it is by name, and I think this is by all layers, I guess so. So I'm just going to leave it like that and proceed with the other things. Now I'm going back to the object mode and selecting the dress, the suit. I'm just going to throw it out, like delete it, and I'm going to export the FBX. I don't personally do anything to the column over here, So because I'm not like well versed in this, so I'm just going to leave it as such. So guys, that's all for today. We have successfully completed this video. Bye.